Listen up, you lot. Have you ever wondered what true English grub is all about? Forget those soggy chips and bland mush you see in the movies. We're diving headfirst into the heart of British cuisine, and trust me, it's a bloody delicious ride. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with 5 iconic dishes that scream England. We're talking hearty breakfast, proper pub grub, and desserts that'll make you want to lick the plate clean. So loosen your belts, grab your aprons, and let's get this cooking show on the road. First up, we're tackling the legendary full English breakfast. None of that continental rubbish here, mate. We're talking a proper fry-up that'll set you up for the day. We're starting with perfectly crisp bacon, juicy sausages bursting with flavour, and eggs cooked your way, fried, scrambled, poached, whatever tickles your fancy. But hold your horses, we're not done yet. No full English is complete without plump grilled tomatoes, sautéed mushrooms, baked beans for a touch of sweetness, and of course black pudding for that proper English touch. And don't even think about forgetting the toast. Serve it all up with a steaming cuppa and you've got yourself a breakfast fit for a king. Next, we're off to the seaside for a proper British institution, fish and chips. Now, this ain't your greasy spoon takeaway. We're talking crispy golden batter that's light as a feather, encasing flaky white fish that practically melts in your mouth. The secret fresh fish, a batter that's ice cold and perfectly seasoned, and frying it till it's golden brown and absolutely irresistible. And let's not forget the chips, those chunky beauties, fluffy on the inside, crispy on the outside, seasoned to perfection. Serve it all up with lashings of salt, malt vinegar for that tangy kick, and a dollop of mushy peas for good measure. There you have it, a true taste of the British seaside. Time for a spot of afternoon tea, and you can't have that without a plate of freshly baked scones. These fluffy, buttery delights are what dreams are made of, especially when they're still warm from the oven. The key is to use cold ingredients and a light hand when mixing to ensure those scones rise beautifully. And don't even think about slicing them. Tear them apart with your hands to appreciate their crumbly texture. Now comes the best part. Smothering them with generous dollops of clotted cream, that thick, luxurious cream that's practically heaven in a jar. And to finish it off, a spoonful of your favorite jam. Strawberry, raspberry, blackcurrant, the choice is yours. When it's time for a hearty, comforting dinner, look no further than shepherd's pie. This classic dish is a true celebration of simple, honest-to-goodness flavors. We start with a rich, savory base of minced lamb, cooked with onions, carrots, and peas in a thick gravy that's bursting with flavor. Then we top it with a layer of creamy, buttery mashed potatoes, piped on to perfection. Finally, a sprinkle of cheese for good measure. And into the oven it goes until it's golden brown and bubbling at the edges. One bite of this beauty and you'll be transported straight back to your nan's kitchen. No English culinary adventure is complete without a taste of something truly indulgent. Enter sticky toffee pudding. This decadent dessert is a symphony of textures and flavors that'll have you licking your plate clean. We're talking about a moist, date-studded sponge drenched in a rich buttery toffee sauce that's so good it should be illegal, served warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of fresh whipped cream. It's the perfect way to end a meal on a sweet note. Trust me, one bite of this sticky, gooey goodness and you'll understand why it's a national treasure. So there you have it, you lot. 5 iconic English dishes that'll make you want to hop on the next plane to London. From hearty breakfasts to comforting dinners and sweet treats, English cuisine is more than just bangers and mash. It's about simple, fresh ingredients cooked with love and a touch of that signature British charm. So go on, get out there and give these recipes a try. You might just surprise yourself. And don't forget to subscribe for more culinary adventures. Now bugger off and get cooking.